はい。すごいね。
In 2001, construction began. The first feature, the outer breakwall. The breakwall stretches 5.3 kilometres east to west and 5 kilometres north to south. The internal palm shape stretches 3.9 kilometres east to west and 4 kilometres north to south. The breakwall runs 11 kilometres and protects the inner elements of the man-made island. Inside water depth is 20 metres, while outside of the breakwall, the water depth is 30 metres. $7 million tons of rock was used as the foundations. $120 million tons of sand was brought from the ocean to build the 17 fronds in the shape of a palm.
そりゃそうでしょ。1,500 villas, 2,500 apartments, with over 78,000 people who live on the Palm. Over 1 million tourists and residents visit the Palm each year. The Palm is home to 27 hotels, including the stunning Atlantis the Palm. Tourist destinations such as the view at the Palm. Nikhil Marinas. The Palm is connected to Dubai with a 300-metre bridge. This bridge transports over 100,000 cars daily. That is over 1 billion cars a year. The Palm Monorail runs the length of the Palm, featured with 5 stations connecting key destinations. The Palm opened in 2006 with a spectacular fireworks display.
كانوا يبنون بيوتا وقلاع رملية على الشاطئ، وأنا كنت أحاول أن أبني في البحر، وكانوا يضحكون، ولا أريد كثيرا ما أصلحهم إلى مشروع أفراد المبادرة في البحر. دعونا نتحاور ونفكر في المستقبل ليكون لدينا جميعا رؤية واضحة، فدعونا نقود معا معركة التنمية وليكن من ضحايانا الفقر والجهل والتخلف.
In 1997, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum
Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, embarked on a project that would transform Dubai's coastline and give the world one of its most recognizable man-made wonders. A technological marvel, Palm Jumeirah has become a symbol of not only Dubai's rich heritage and deep connection to the sea, but a shining beacon of ambition and innovation that can be found in the Arab world. This is the incredible story of how the island that captured the world's imagination rose from the sea. Welcome to the view at the Palm. From warm, shallow waters lapping at the coastline of the Gulf to a dazzling symbol of imagination and architectural ingenuity, this is the Palm Jumeirah. The iconic island was born from a vision to create an unforgiving possibility and transform the emirate into a buzzing metropolis and a global tourist destination. His Excellency Sultan Ahmed bin Salim was mandated by His Highness to bring this great idea to life, where the island's original design was shaped like a sun.
He told me, how many kilometers we will get if we build this island? I told him 7, and the whole beach of Dubai, Your Highness, is 60, 65 kilometers. How do you get 70? He said, why do we build it around? Why don't we pull it from the sides and create more beaches?
The redesign included a 1.4-kilometer bridge connecting the Dubai mainland to the island. The shape then began to resemble a palm tree, a true Dubai icon. Nearly 100 million cubic meters of sand from the bottom of the sea and 7 million tons of rock from nearby mountains in the Northern Emirates were carefully positioned using GPS technology and satellite images from space to create one of the most recognizable icons of Dubai. Constructed in less than 6 years, from 2001 to 2006, the first of its kind man-made island is a monumental feat of engineering and modern technology. It is one of the few islands in the world that can be viewed from space with the naked eye. Today, we welcome you to experience a pioneering symbol of Dubai's transformation into one of the world's most exciting cities. Designed to inspire wonder, this unforgettable, iconic, and awe-inspiring journey brings the story of Palm Jumeirah to life for the first time.
一番いいね。すげえ。
中にモールあれがあるのか、スーパーとかあるのか。
あんのか
多
ね。
分そうじゃないのか。
あ、だってお手伝いさん、ベビーシッターもみんないるし、買い物しないとシェフもいいじゃん。